Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money online using some Google methods, meaning you could be evaluating some search engines and see if the machines are learning the right way. So let's check it out and make some money this way. Okay, let's get started. Alright guys, since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to mention that if you want to know how I make money online, click this link up here on my banner art on the right here. It says make a big money here. Click this link and you will be able to kind of learn how I make money online, as well as how you could get involved if you want to follow my path, guys. Okay, so the first site I want to show you today is right here at pen.com. Pencalm is a technology company that is in the space where they're going to train AI, machine learning basically. AI is artificial intelligence, and they are trying to teach the machines to learn how we use search engines, how we use pictures, how we use images, and so they need stuff translated, or even just making sure that search engines are being relevant to the searches that people are using. And so they need humans to help the machines learn how we do searches, how we translate things, or what we mean by certain words and stuff like that. So that's what a pen does for other companies if they want their service. So me and you can help a pen do some of the searches and do some of the data testing and do some of the activities that help machines learn what we do. So what you do is you go to append.com and you could come down to the bottom here and click on careers, or actually up here where it says about, you could click here careers as well. So you'll get to this page here where you can learn more. So you find a job you love, solve big problems, and help shape the future. So you could be raters, okay? So flexible, part-time, home-based work that requires a computer and or a phone or a mobile device. Okay, so there's also language jobs, flexible work in transcription, translation, and linguistics. So if you know how to do transcription, meaning you just translate or transcribing the audio file to text form, okay? And translations, if you know multiple languages, this will be very valuable, and you can actually earn a lot more if you know other languages and can do translations, and so is linguistics, okay? And then there are micro tasks you can be involved with, doing simple tasks that can be completed in about an hour from the comfort of your home. And then there are corporate positions, like if you want to work for a pen and be in their corporate office. But I think for work from home, you're looking at these items right here, these three, okay? Within the raters and the micro tasks, you will find items in here that are going to be to do with rating either the search engine or seeing how the search engine is working, and seeing if the search engine is giving you the results that you're expecting to find when you do a search on it. So this is part of that. And this is more information about working with a pen. So when you're looking at a pen, here are some FAQs that I found here. What is a pen independent agent? When you're working with a pen, you're going to be an independent contractor, meaning you're not going to be an employee, so you're going to manage your own business, your own hours, and you could work for them. And a pen is basically your client, basically, right? How do I generate revenue as an pen independent agent? A pen contracts with independent agents to perform work available from our customers. Agents invoice a pen for each hour of work they complete. How often are a pen independent agents paid? A pen independent agents will invoice a pen for rendered services once per calendar month. Fees to independent agents are paid via direct deposit within 30 days of receipt of a valid invoice. So there's no cost for you to become an agent, but you do need certain requirements for, like, you need a computer, so you need to have internet access and make sure you have the workspace. So all this is provided by yourself. So there is no reimbursement or anything like that because you are managing your own business, okay? So those are the main points. So once you get on though, how long will my business will generate revenue? Once you complete the online registration process and pass the online qualification exam, your business will be ready to generate revenue. Most agents can complete the registration and qualification process within 14 days. So that's not very long at all. And then so you need to be at least 18 years old, basically an adult, to be able to work with a pen. So the next site I was going to also show you is called Raiders Lab. And Raiders Lab before was its own company. So Raider Labs is its own company before, but now they are a part of a pen really. So now a pen have bought them, and so this is a separate job list though that is available for Raider Labs. And what you are going to find here is the same kind of search media evaluation, meaning you get to work with world's top search engine companies like Google to evaluate the search engine. You get social media evaluation, making sure how the social media is working around the world, doing translation, transcription, survey, and data collection, and all these different things that you can do when you apply to the Raider Labs, okay? So this is very similar to a pen, and in fact, I don't know if they've really merged them together since now they have a pen here. They didn't used to have this here before, so I'm guessing they are kind of merging them together. But there is another one that I want to show you, and that is called Lion Bridge. So Lion Bridge is a similar company like a pen where they are training machines to learn how we do things. And so this is another way that you can get involved and test out search engines like Google and doing stuff like that. So here is some of the things that they do: to create content for global audience, transform content so it resonates, test content products and services in every language on every device. So you could test, so you could become one of these testers, guys, okay? Or train AI. So data collection, transformation, and relevance testing. So this is how you could be testing some search engines, like relevant testing. It's like, are the search engines giving you the right results when you're doing a certain search on there? Is it bringing up the results that you're expecting to find? Is it answering the questions that you're trying to ask or trying to find out on the search engine? So that's what that is. And so if you are on lionbridge.com, so to get to this page is lionbridge.com, and you come to the bottom here and go join our team. And so there are several ways you can get involved here. So you can be an interpreter or a translator, an agency, you can be testers, and so forth, right? Or you could work in their corporate offices. But I think this is what you are looking for, calling all home-based workers and university students. So this is where you want to go. So once you hit that, you're going to get to a site called the smartcrowd.com, and you'll get to Lionbridge's current opportunities for work at home opportunities. And it's going to be worldwide, as you can see on the map: Canada, United States. And you got some stuff here in South America there, and you have stuff from in Europe and Africa and Asia and Australia there. So it's worldwide. You can definitely use Lionbridge as another way to find jobs like this. So you can take a look at how it works here. So it's pretty simple. There shouldn't be anything holding you back from working on your own terms. With Lionbridge crowdsourcing, independent workers can find home-based jobs with flexible workloads that they control and a single pipeline for incoming work. So crowd workers thrive on completing jobs at home on a flexible schedule and excel in a virtual workplace. They work when, where, and as much as they want, with a strong work ethic and meticulous attention to detail that keeps our clients coming back for more. So get started, you click learn more here, and you go back to this page here, and you just have to contact them. Okay. Or you can look through the countries to see if there's anything for us here. So if you click on United States, you see all the different things that are available right now that you can apply for. Okay. And they're on different languages, as you can see. See Japanese, English. So there you go. Okay, guys. Those are the 3 items that I want to show you today. So you can make some extra money online this way. If you do make some extra money online, I encourage you to save that money so you can invest in a program like the one that I am using to make big money online, guys. And I earn passively online, guys, as well with this program. So all what I needed to do was learn some online skills that teaches you how to build basically your online business in a way that generates its own traffic 24/7. And that is precisely how I can earn any time of the day. And I work on my own schedule. So I work when I want, but I can earn whether I'm working, playing, having dinner, or with my kids. So if you want something like that, check out the link in my banner art or in my about page on my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, my link is right there. All right, so I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I really hope you guys make some money online soon, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, guys? Thank you and bye.